forward?
Huh?
Are you recording forward or behind?
Both.
Oh, it's. Oh, how do you do that?
Dale tranquilo, dale tranquilo.
How are you gonna do that?
I will fucking figure it out. Let this guy go ahead.
No, just take your time.
Okay. Yeah.
No worries.
I'm gonna take my own time too. Sure.
This is the good one.
Where the hell are we going? That way.
Oh, that way? Okay.
Oh shit. Alright, Alex, you be extra careful. Oh my god. Oh my god, we got matching pants with them.
Yeah.
What? Can I take your backpack?
Yeah.
Fine. This is too heavy of a backpack on.
I love this.
Oh my god, he's so careful.
That'll be fine.
Yeah, zip it in a pocket.
You have it. You have it.
Yeah.
Nice. There you go. There you go, head.
Hold something like this. Okay.
Nice.
I got it.
Pode aqui um segundo. Não, só aqui. Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Give me my bottle.
Go first.
Give me all the bottles and you help out.
Okay.
Alright, can you please go? I'll make sure you're allowed back here.
Okay.
Damn, I am so happy I started doing those bar classes. I am feeling strong.
Nice.
Aside from my cardio, which always sucks, but you know, we do it.
Okie dokie.
Oh, look at that little pedal.
Amazing.
I don't know. I can never tell. I think maybe.
Look at these wispy clouds up there. So pretty.
This is so peaceful.
We're doing good. Thank you. Just keep
Good
thinking
enough.
of us.
This is great. This right here is great. I don't think so. How do you go from here to here? Like climb up?
Yeah.
You sit?
Look, I put my hand on here.
Thank you.
Well, I sat.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Oh, how you gonna come?
You get up. I'm so glad I went
Here,
with you
bring your
guys,
hand.
too.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, look.
Yeah. No way. Who needs that?
I don't know.
I don't know what that means for. Yeah.
palo. Yeah, I should do that. Yep. My palo.
This is so cool.
This is tight.
Careful, huh?
Careful.
Told us not to look down. Don't look down. Wait, look down. Sorry about that. Had to get that one over here. I wonder if this is the tree where everyone gets their walk.
Yeah. They give up when the walk is That's so cool.
That is good. Oh, man.
Iris,
Yeah. You made it?
I'm up here.
Hey, wait, you just wait for me to make sure I make it.
Put it like this.
We got you. You do?
Drums are awesome.
The person who installed it. Awesome. Love it. I do. I know. It's a little dangerous, but it's pretty damn cool. I want something else to hold on to.
Let me know if you need help. No, I'm good right now. Hey. Wait,
You got it?
yeah.
So cool.
Yeah.
It's so cool. I'm very glad that my parents did not try to do that.
Bro, your mom can do it, but your dad no.
Yeah. He would have been sweating. He would have been upset. I was like, oh, we had a good time. Nico just be waiting at the bottom like, never came back. Have a good treat. She'll come back. Dang, I wonder if we'll use that for lefty bars. Like it on the left. I would like some lefty bars.
Well, make a note of that.
We make a note to the park. They're not. Oh, what's the word? They're not diverse enough with their bars, right? You know, they're all about diverse.
Whoa, push.
Okay, so switch your feet.
Okay.
Go back down. Here's a spot. Wait, you missed a spot. Okay. You missed a spot. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, look at the pond.
Well, here's the blue here. I think I see blue right there.
Where?
Right there.
Well, how do you get up there?
I don't know. That's a good question. I think
Where's the trail?
Wait, where are we
it's right
going?
where he's going. The blue's right on is it here?
Where are we going?
No, it's not over here.
Could be.
There?
It could be.
That's pretty dangerous.
Yeah.
Dang. Just watch
Just
out.
let me. Yeah, it's over there. I see some stairs over there.
This way?
Yeah.
Holy
Just be careful. Be careful.
The wrong foot.
I see.
Put the wrong foot on.
Okay.
Oh, I see, because that walls are
You see it?
well, there's a net.
Yeah.
Alright, go for it, baby.
Okay, I see it. I see it. What are you holding on to over here?
El morongo.
There should be a bar.
Yeah. El morongo, el morongo.
Where? This. There should be a bar right here.
Don't stop believing.
Look at that.
My God, this is terrifying.
Okay. Okay, let me know if you need help. Carry me.
Listening to Aerosmith, living on the edge right now. Living my best life.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, actually, could you just take that?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Different one.
Okay, you got,
Got
it.
it.
Perfect. There we go.
Thank you.
Huh?
Ask me if you need this. Oh, okay. I could not get my leg up that high.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. I got this.
Very cool.
I think this is where I was like, oh look, you can see people. I think it's here.
That's how I felt when you came.
Your radio? Yeah, I did hear that.
Everyone was like, oh, it's such a hard. I have to save it.
You think it's up this way?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys, are you going up this way?
I don't know.
There's nothing here.
There's nothing here?
That way?
Yeah.
I mean, I see a rung right there, so this is definitely the path.
Yeah.
Why don't you guys go ahead and show us how it's done?
Okay.
Let's see.
let me.
Yeah, there it is. See what she's doing?
Are you going that way?
That's the way.
There's like a couple of footholds here.
That's the way to do it. She's gonna end up right here. She's got a puddle.
Oh, is that how we're doing that?
Are these helpful or are they kind of,
I do find it helpful, like just like for stability.
yeah,
By the way, we noticed that we got matching pants, which are
REI pins?
yep.
Alright.
You too?
Yeah, they're great.
Nice.
Me and him. I know,
Oh,
we
aren't
did
they
too.
amazing?
They're so good. They're
We
so
think
cool.
they're
Right?
great. Yeah.
Is it that up there?
Yeah, we're going this way.
What's the difference? Is there a difference?
There's nothing.
No, we're going the
you're
wrong
not,
way.
We're going the wrong way.
Oh,
Yeah, we got to get back on. Oh, Jesus Christ. Come on, up this way.
How the hell? Okay. Okay.
There should be a rung.
Is there?
We got to make a complaint.
The National Park
actually-
Service?
Yeah.
These actually have really good handholds.
Okay, Alex,
Yes.
put your camera on.
It seems scary, but it's good.
Okay.
It's fine.
This is definitely steeper.
No.
Alex?
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it on my backpack.
Okay, do that then. But your leg, I don't want you to
I don't know if my legs are.
Give me your paddle.
Yes.
There we go.
Thank you. Alright. That one mine?
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's gonna put it right here. Anyway, you stay there, so.
I'm gonna take a picture of her.
There we go. Oh shit, man.
You need me to take anything?
No. I'm just gonna put everything set and you're gonna put my camera on my back pedal because I need my hands free. Like this. Okay.
Okay. And here there's a rung.
Okay. Hey.
Okay. The rung is very helpful. More. We should have more rungs.
Yeah. Sorry. Let me go first. Thank you. Okay. Now I'm probably.
Is that the way to go? This way? How's it going?
Yeah.
the wrong way?
This way. This way.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
The one up here is difficult because there's not an extra rung to hold. You'll have to like kind of crawl.
Now we're rolling.
Alright, how's this here?
Hot already.
I don't know now. Let's see. I don't know if my leg goes this hard. Is there anything you can use to push or pull yourself? Oh, I'm sticking my butt onto this one. Okay. Holy moly. All right. Let's see. We need one more run up here
Right?
to like pull. Everyone touches this tree. I almost want to be like, huh, but there's no high.
Yeah.
My dad taught me the uncivilized air hanky.
Ah.
I was like, when would I ever use that? Right now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Damn, this is a good, like, sturdy little clock here.
It was from the Kleenex at the house.
Really?
There's still good supplies over there.
Oh yeah, they're really stocked. Okay. There was a moment where I was concerned you were gonna knock this on the rock. I'm like,
Yeah.
it was really close.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good.
It's not. It's concern for your.
Yeah,
stuff.
concern for your
Yeah.
property.
Yeah.
That you were gonna like you were gonna hit
No,
it, right?
that thing is very strong. Like the only thing I'm worried is about the lens.
Exactly. Smash the lens.
But I had the
Put this
protective
back in
lens
the
on.
backpack.
Huh?
Put the water back
Yeah,
in.
yeah.
Do you want yours back in?
No, that's fine.
I want my hands.
It used to be around here, now it's not there anymore.
Come on, yeah.
Shut up.
Move. Okay, devil.
I know my legs are like shaky.
Really?
No, when I was trying to step and you startled me. I was like, "Ugh."
Oh my god. Ay, 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 ay. ¿Qué dice? Ay. Okay. There's a way over here. Yeah.
The paint is this way.
Yeah. I wanna feel.
Damn, someone is bleeding. Like I keep finding blood on their front.
Yeah.
Oh god.
Like whole streak marks.
Oh,
And I was checking on me, and it was me, but it's not me.
no, it's not you. Maybe it's an animal.
What kind of animal is gonna be on a human trail?
World? I don't know. People drop snacks. They used to this. We're the ones who do it for fun.
Yeah. That's every day for them.
Yeah, there's poop right there.
That's not food. That's their mole.
I know that there has to be mud and poop out. I make it every day. Mud, I make.
Mother Nature.
Oh, sorry.
No, no, fine. I have to be more careful with Ariana's stick.
Hey?
Huh?
What do you say?
I have to be more careful with your stick.
My stick?
Yeah.
Why, am I almost hitting you?
I almost hit my eye multiple times.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
I don't know which way I'm going. Do you see blue over here?
It's that way.
Can I not perhaps that way? Do you work here?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't like these sloped ones.
I don't see blue over here, Alex.
You don't see blue over there? Ay, Ariana. It's over here though.
I asked you. Oh, I literally just asked you that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's over here. It's an easy path over here on the right.
You're up there. Why are you going on the other side like a crazy person?
Come on, Eddie, I'm doing this one.
Radiation, my